Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain the main steps of the AUTOSAR methodology using this diagram. We start on the left side with the AUTOSAR authoring tool. At this stage, system architects define the high-level design of the system. This includes three main elements: the software component description, the ECU resource description, and the system description, which contains the communication matrix and the network topology. Once these files are created, the development process is divided into two main parts: the application software development and the ECU configuration process. Let's start with the application software development part. From the SUC description, the authoring tool generates the RTE contract phase. This phase produces header files that define the interfaces between the software component and the RTE. These header files contain API declarations, runnable prototypes, and data structures. Then the developer can implement the software component. There are two possibilities here: either model-based development using tools like MATLAB Simulink or manual coding in C. After implementation, we obtain C and header files representing the software component. Now let's move to the ECU configuration process. Using the system description and ECU extract, we configure the ECU. This includes configuring the RTE, the operating system, and the basic software modules. Tools like DaVinci Configurator are used here. They generate the RTE code, OS code, and basic software code. At the end of this step, we again obtain C and header files. Finally, in the integration step, all generated files are combined. The application software, the RTE, the OS, and the basic software are compiled together using a makefile. This produces the final executable that is flashed into the ECU. So to summarize, this diagram shows the complete AUTOSAR workflow, from system design to software component implementation to ECU configuration and finally to integration and build. This process ensures modularity, scalability, and standardization in automotive embedded software development.